This video will describe what SEO is all about, and why you should use it on your website. So let's get started. The term SEO refers to the process of optimizing a website for search engines. It is a set of tactics used by web developers and digital marketers to boost a website's ranking on search engines. Almost every business today has a website. So once you've built yours and hosted it on a server, the next step is to let people know you have one and figure out how to encourage them to visit it. You can promote your website by informing your friends and family about it. However, this may not result in a large amount of traffic. So one of the most popular ways for webmasters to drive traffic to their sites is through SEO. For example, if you search for the term WordPress theme development on Google, you will find these search results. We're talking about Google because it now dominates the search engine market. Hence, these are the search results. Consider which links you'll click when you see this, which is most likely one of the first three. If you don't find what you're searching for in the first three results, you can scroll down and check out some other links on the first page of results. How frequently do you think you'd click through to the second page of results? Only a small fraction of visitors go through to the next pages of search results. More than 90% of visitors only look at the first page of search results. Therefore, an SEO expert's task is to ensure that your website ranks for a given term on the first page. Search engines make use of a variety of complex algorithms to arrange search results in the most appropriate order for the visitor. The user almost always finds what he's looking for on the first page. Google keeps these algorithms a secret. This is because if someone knows the exact algorithm of how Google ranks a website, they can optimize their website such that it will invariably rank for a particular keyword on the first page. Backlinks are an essential factor that Google considers. Backlinks are simply the number of different websites that connect to yours. The number of high-quality backlinks also influences the ranking. Previously, keyword density was the most critical factor for search engines to rank a website. However, it was later discovered that having a high keyword density didn't mean that an article was the most relevant for a particular term. Having a reasonable number of keywords is also necessary for your website's ranking. There are various other things to take into account. So, SEO is one of the most crucial things you should spend your time on after creating your website. Let's have a look at the gains of using SEO. SEO assists you in obtaining targeted traffic for the terms you desire. All visitors that arrive at your website via a search engine have a specific problem to address. And if you provide them with the answer to their problem, they will adore your site and recommend it to others. People have faith in Google. They understand that Google would not allow an untrustworthy site to rank in the search engine. Thus, by using SEO on your website, you can get a reputation. After looking for a specific term, people who come to your website are more likely to become customers since they are interested in your product. As more people visit your website, they are more likely to click on your social media icons and follow you. SEO can genuinely boost the number of social media followers you have. Because if you want to rank on Google, you have to make your website load quickly. SEO can help you create a better UX for your visitors. That's all for this video.